what Netflix's ad strategy shift means for tech marketers.
Lower cost, ad-supported subscription.
Netflix partnering with Microsoft.
If we told you the biggest story in streaming right now isn't about content, it's not about the next Squid Game, Stranger Things, or a mega-budget blockbuster. It's about something invisible, something far more powerful: ads.
Welcome back to Squawk Box. Netflix saying that it has now chosen Microsoft to help launch a low-cost ad-supported version of its streaming service.
And no, we're not talking about YouTube-style annoyances. We're talking about a seismic shift in how Netflix is redefining advertising itself and why tech marketers need to pay attention. Hello and welcome to the enterprise world. Today we are back with another business tea to spill, and this time it's Netflix's ad strategy shift. The plot twist. We didn't see coming for years. Netflix was the holy grail of ad-free entertainment. No commercials, no interruptions, just pure, uninterrupted binging. But in 2022, that changed. Facing slowing subscriber growth, rising content costs, and fierce competition from Disney+, Amazon, and Apple TV, Netflix did what no one expected. It opened the door to advertisers with a cheaper, ad-supported tier. And the results? Over 40 million global monthly active users on the ad-supported tier by mid-2025. 40% year-over-year increase in ad revenue, according to Q4 2024 earnings. That's not just a pivot, it's a power move. The strategy behind the screens. But this isn't just about selling ad slots. Netflix is building an ad tech empire from the ground up. They ended their partnership with Microsoft and began developing their own in-house advertising tech stack. Why? Because data is gold, and Netflix wants to own every ounce of it. With years of behavioral insights, personalized recommendation engines, and global viewing habits at its fingertips, Netflix is sitting on one of the richest ad targeting databases in the world. Now add AI-powered ad personalizations, which Netflix plans to roll out by 2026, and you're not just watching a show anymore. You're entering a deeply tailored, brand-safe storytelling funnel. What this means for tech marketers? So, what does Netflix's ad strategy shift mean for you? The tech marketer, the brand strategist, the digital disruptor? It means a new frontier of contextual, intent-based advertising served at scale. Netflix isn't interrupting the experience. It's engineering moments that feel seamless, relevant, even cinematic. Imagine advertising to a tech-savvy Gen Z viewer just after an intense Black Mirror episode, or targeting niche audiences who binge sci-fi, not just by genre, but by mood and micro-habits. This isn't programmatic noise. This is intent marketing on steroids, powered by emotional resonance and AI. If you're not rethinking your funnel strategy for platforms like Netflix, you're already behind. Why the world is watching this move? Let's zoom out. Netflix's global footprint is massive, with over 260 million subscribers in 190 plus countries. But what's even more interesting is how it's adapting locally. In India, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, the ad-supported model offers an affordable entry point, tapping into price-sensitive markets. In Europe and the US, it provides an option for viewers who don't mind a few smartly placed ads in exchange for saving a few bucks. And Netflix's AI ad engine, expected to launch in 2026, will enable real-time ad optimization based on viewer responses, sentiment analysis, and engagement metrics. This could be the future of streaming. This could be the future of advertising. The psychology behind the pivot. Here's where it gets deeper. Netflix understands you, the viewer, not just demographically, but psychographically. They know when you binge. They know what you watch when you're sad, tired, anxious, or nostalgic. Their shift into advertising is a masterstroke because it aligns with their greatest strength: hyper-personalization. Instead of slapping banners or shouting offers, they're gently embedding brand stories into the natural rhythm of your watching behavior. This is marketing psychology in its purest form, and if Netflix succeeds, expect other platforms, Amazon, Disney, even Spotify, to follow with smarter, more immersive ad models. A final word to tech marketers. Netflix's ad strategy is a blueprint for modern marketing. It tells us that the future lies in owning your data stack, building immersive, personalized experiences, blending tech, psychology, and storytelling into moments that matter. If you're a tech marketer, now's the time to rethink your media mix. Double down on emotion-driven targeting and design campaigns that don't disrupt, but belong. Because in the age of intelligent streaming, relevance isn't optional. It's the only currency that converts. Like this breakdown? Hit like and turn on the bell icon for more deep dives into the business of tech, marketing, and media from the enterprise world.